Beautiful and fitting trousers are a great part to a stylish wardrobe. Hello viewer, I'm Stella with Stella JB Fashion. Today I'll be showing you on how to draft your pockets ready to sew. The materials and basic measurement for this course will be in the description. At the end of this video, you will know how to draft a fitting pair of trousers to your measurement for a quality garment. This is the part 3 in my pattern making series on drafting trousers. See the link in the description for part 1 and part 2. Follow this channel for my trouser sewing class. If you are looking for other patterns, see my bodies and corset drafting courses in the description. And remember to subscribe to the Stella JB Fashion channel and click the bell for notifications to see more great fashion contents. I'm going to be teaching you how to cut the pocket. This is the front trousers, or this is the back. As you can see, the back is bigger than the front because we have a bigger boot, so that is why it's bigger and it's longer. Like you can see, the back is longer. So I'm going to teach you on how to cut your pant, your pockets. Okay, here is my tape rule, my ruler, my scissors. Okay, let's go. So before we go, I'm going to bring the front. So that is what we'll be using, the front. As you can see, this is the waist. We'll be taking the measurement off from the allowance, okay? So I'll be taking 3 inches width. So I'll be marking right now. I'll be marking 3 inches width. Okay, so the length here, I'll be taking 6 inches. So I'll go ahead to curve it. Okay, if you want to make it straight, it all depends on you. But for me, I want it a little bit curved. So I'm going to curve the points, the 2 points together. Like so. As you can see how curved it is. So as you can see, I've already drawn the curve. Okay, so I'll go ahead to draw the pocket bag, but I'll make sure I stop it maybe half inch. I'm going to stop it half inch above my hip. Okay, so I'm going to trace it with my free hand. So I'm going to start from the dart, then trace it, okay, with my free hands. Depends on how shape you want it to be. So I want my shape to look this way. So that is why I'm making it this way. Okay. So that's my pocket bag. I'll go ahead and roll it. So I'm connecting it from the darts. Okay, I'll go ahead to trace it out with every point. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I'm just tracing it out. That's just what I'm doing. I've not done anything much. Just tracing it out. Okay, so I'm just tracing it out. So I've gone ahead to trace it out. Okay, so make sure I maintain the same shape. Okay, what I only did was to transfer this one back to a fresh note because I needed a bigger one, a bigger paper, so that I can add my seam allowance. Okay, that is just what I have done. So I will go ahead to bring the shape, to brighten the shape. Okay, I'm using my curve ruler. Neutral. So I'm gonna add those curves. It's not actually done anything much. So what I just doing is just to join the point. Okay. So I'll go ahead to add half an inch to everything. This is the facing. So I'll go ahead to add half an inch to it. Sewing allowance. Okay. So I'll go ahead, add half an inch, then I'm going to trace it out. So I've gone ahead to add a half inch to it. Okay, so after adding half an inch to this, you go ahead to trace out the whole pocket bag from here. You can see from this point to this point around here. So that is what I'm going to do. I'll go ahead to trace it out also. Okay, make sure it's visible to what you're doing. No, it is not from the allowance. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'll have to bring it out, then add half an half-inch allowance to it. Okay. So okay. So this is the pocket bag, while this is the facing. So I'll go ahead to cut it out. No, I will add half-inch allowance all round, then trace it. So as I'm done now, I'll go ahead to cut it out. So I'm gonna head cut it out. So this is the pocket bag, right? This is the facing. So I'll go ahead to cut out this. Okay, so when I am done, you can see, so this is the facing. So this is the pocket bag. It's going to look this way. As you can see, this is the pocket bag. Why this is going to be the facing. Okay. So this is how to cut the pockets. Thanks for joining me. This has been Stella with Stella JB Fashion. Comment if you have any questions and check my links if you need help with your fashion designs. I would love to help you perfect your work. If you found this video helpful, press the like button and subscribe to the Stella JB Fashion channel for more helpful tutorials and contents for fashion designers.